Welcome to Lost in Reverie. Today's guided meditation, Forest Retreat. Embracing Nature Serenity invites you to a tranquil journey through a peaceful forest. Please find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, letting your lungs fully expand. As you exhale slowly through your mouth, release any tension you might be carrying. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any external thoughts or worries. This time is solely for you, a chance to reconnect with the calming essence of nature and the serenity within. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly, drawing in the cool, fresh air with each inhale, and releasing all stress and worry with each exhale. Feel the rhythm of your breath help to quiet your mind and soothe your body. With every breath, imagine drawing in peace and calm and exhaling any remaining tension. Let this simple act of breathing ground you as you prepare to walk through the forest in your mind's eye. Imagine now that you are standing at the edge of a vast green forest. The trees are tall and stately, their leaves whispering in a gentle breeze. Step onto the soft, mossy path that leads into the heart of the forest. With each step, feel the soft earth under your feet, comforting and solid. Notice the smell of damp earth mixed with the scent of pine and leaf mold, rich and invigorating. Sunlight dapples through the thick canopy above, creating patterns of light and shadow that dance on the ground. Allow the beauty and serenity of this place to fill you, breathing deeply of the forest air. As you delve deeper into the peaceful forest, let's focus on releasing any physical discomfort or remaining tension in your body. Start at the crown of your head, envisioning a warm, soothing energy that begins to spread downwards. This gentle energy relaxes your forehead, softens your eyes, and eases tension from your cheeks and jaw. Feel it soothing your neck and shoulders, a common area where we hold stress. Allow this relaxation to flow down your arms to your fingertips and from your shoulders down your spine, enveloping your torso in a warmth and comfort. As this relaxing energy reaches your legs, let it unburden them, carrying away all heaviness with it, right down to your toes. With each step forward on the forest path, feel yourself becoming lighter and more at ease. Turn your attention now to the sounds that surround you in the forest. Listen to the melody of bird calls, the whisper of the breeze through the leaves, and the distant murmur of a stream. Each sound connects you more deeply to this place, anchoring you in the present moment. Observe the vibrant green of the leaves, the rough texture of tree bark, and the softness of moss underfoot. Feel your connection to nature deepen, grounding you in the earth and clearing your mind. In the heart of this serene forest, affirm your inner peace and strength. Repeat to yourself, either silently or aloud. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. I am grounded, centered, and calm. I embrace the tranquility of nature and carry it within me. Allow these words to resonate deeply, echoing through the forest, reinforcing your connection to the natural world and to your own inner calm. As our journey through the forest comes to a close, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Notice the surface beneath you. Feel its support. Take a few more deep, mindful breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the peace and calm of the forest back with you into your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you carry the serenity of the forest with you, returning whenever you need peace or reflection.